So, reception year 1 and year 2, okay, you've done your warm-up, okay, well done for doing that. We're now going to move on to our ball skill challenges. Now, hopefully you've kept your scorecard from last week, like I have, okay. We've got those 8 activities to do, okay, 1 minute per activity. We're going to write our scores down. Hopefully we're going to improve some of our scores from last week, okay. So I'm going to take you through 8 activities today, and then we're going to go from there. So, first one, guys, is the bounce and catch. I'm going to see again for a minute how many we can do, okay? So, 3, 2, 1, go. Right, so I got 52 there. Now my last week's score was 37. So I've beaten that by 15, which I'm happy about, okay? So, okay, this time we go round the body, okay? So just round the body, and I'm going to see how many we can do in a minute. Very, very simple. Last week my score was 40, so I'm going to try and beat mine. Remember, you're trying to beat your own scores from last week if you did them, okay? So 2 or 3 seconds. And let's go. And stop, okay? I got 39, so I didn't beat that one, guys, okay? I did not beat that one, okay? So this one, okay, this one here is going to be just an easy catch. So 1, 2, and so on, okay? So catching this time, okay, we'll start in 10 seconds. Again, it's a minute to see how many points we can get. Last week I got 35, that's what I'm gonna try and beat this week, okay? And go. And stop there, okay? So I've got 42 this week. 42 on the catches, okay? This time I'm going to go from one hand to the other, so left to right, right to left. Oh, okay. So my score last week was 52. I'm going to try and beat that. Okay, so in 5 seconds, guys, we're going to start left to right, right to left. Okay. And again, it's a minute. Go. And stop. I was 1 short there, so I got 51. Okay, 51. So you do left leg and right leg, okay? So remember from last week, we passed around 1 leg, okay, it's a minute, and then the other leg a minute, okay? And we're gonna see how many we get. So the first one is gonna be left leg. My score was 55. So I'm gonna try and beat 55, okay? 1 minute starting now. Oh, 56, I beat it by 1 this week. Okay, so my left leg round, 56. Okay, so we've got 3 more to do, guys. Okay, this one's gonna be the right leg, so I've got 51. I'm gonna try and beat my 51 score from last week. Okay, 10 seconds, we're gonna start with just round 1 leg, and this time it's gonna be the right leg. 5 seconds to start. And go. And stop. Okay, so I got 54 there, so I beat my score by 3 last week, okay? Now, same as last week, I'm gonna put my cone down. Okay, you might not have a cone, but you can use a toilet roll, anything to dribble the ball around, and it's just dribbling the ball around the cone, okay? So just like that, and that would be 1, okay? My score last week was 10, so I'm gonna try and beat 10. And go. 4, 6, 7, 11, and 12. Okay, stop there guys, stop there. So I beat my score by 2 this week, which I'm quite happy about. Okay, now I need to put my cone 1 metre away from my box, which I have. One big step, okay. Remember last week we finished with a 1 metre throw, and that's what we're going to finish with again. Okay, so 1 throw in, collect your ball, and you go again, okay? My score last week was 12, so I am going to try and beat 12, okay? Off we go. And stop. So I got 14 this week. I beat it by 2. Again, I'm happy about that. And that is my score. So I beat my score 5 or 6 times out of 8, which I'm really happy with there. Obviously improved this week. Okay. Reception Year 1 and Year 2. That has finished your lesson. And that's actually finished PE at home with me. Okay. Next week we're back in schools. I'm really looking forward to seeing you all guys. Okay. And we can crack on with some PE. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for joining. Well done guys. Thanks a lot.